Hello everyone. Today I want to show you some leaves of different plants. So as you know that the leaf is the important part of the plant because leaf make food for the plant. Leaf is a food factory of the plant, or you can say that the leaf is the kitchen of the plant. So leaf is the most important part of the plant because leaf make food for the plant. So what are the parts of the leaf? So leaf has different parts and leaf also have different shapes. Now you can see that this is also a leaf, and this leaf found in mountain area region plants, the plant that is present on hills and mountains, because this leaf is like a spines and it is also thick, and here you can see that waxy coating on the leaf. So leaf are also of different shapes and sizes. You can see that this is very thin leaf and it has spines, looks like a needle from apex side. So leaves are of different shapes and sizes. I am having this leaf. This leaf is of money plant, and you can see every part of the leaf, and I have drawn here also. This is also a leaf. So the part that is present, it is called, you can see this part. This part is a apex. What is apex? This part. This part of the leaf is apex. Now, what is midrib? Mid means in the middle. So from here you can see this is a midrib, and you can see clearly this is a midrib that is present in the middle of the leaf. So this is midrib. Now side veins. Side veins that is present side of midrib. So these are side veins, and you can see here, you can see clearly side veins. These are side veins. These are side veins, and you can see this side also. These are side veins. Now next is lamina. So this is flat part of leaf. It is called lamina. So this full part is called lamina or leaf blade. What is leaf blade? Leaf blade or lamina. So this part is a leaf blade or lamina, and the part from leaf attached to the plant is called stalk. This is stalk. So this part attached from the plant. So this is the structure of leaf, and I am having also one leaf, and at your home there are different plants. So you can take the leaf of one plant, as this is a leaf of money plant, because in this leaf everything is very much clear. So you can take leaf of money plant at your home, and what you will do, you will paste white slips and you will write the part of the leaf, and you can send me pictures of leaf. What you will do, you will make line, you will paste this in your notebook, and you will write this is apex, this is side veins, this is mid veins, this is stalk. You will keep this in your notebook and you will paste this, and you will write different parts of the leaf. So I am explaining from the starting different parts of the leaf. So first of all, I am starting from apex. From apex. So this is the apex of the leaf. You can see where is apex. So it is the apex of the leaf. I am written here apex. Next is midrib. So this is midrib. It is present between the mid of the leaf. This is midrib. Next is side vein. So here this is the back side of the leaf, and here you can see every vein clearly. So I have shown you back side of the leaf, not front side. Why? Because back side leaves veins are very much clear, and stomata are also present back side of the leaf. So I am showing you back side. Why? Because veins are clear in back side. So they are side veins. Side veins, they are midrib in between the leaf, and midrib has side veins. So these are side veins. This is green flat part, and this green flat part is called lamina or leaf blade. What is lamina or leaf blade? This is stalk. What is this? Stalk. So these are the different parts of the leaf. Now you will tell me, who is the kitchen of the plant? Which part we call the kitchen of the plant? And the answer is leaf. And the green part that is present on leaf is called chlorophyll. This leaf is green. Why? Because this leaf has green pigment. What is green pigment? And this green pigment is called chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll, what is the spelling of chlorophyll? CHLOROPHYLL. So this green part is called chlorophyll. Green pigment is called chlorophyll, and this green pigment helpful to make food. This green pigment help the leaf to make food. So the process of making food with the help of chlorophyll, water, air and sunlight is called photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? Leaf take air, water and sunlight and green pigment that is present inside the leaf to make their food. So this process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means to put together. So the process to make food is called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? The process of make food with the help of chlorophyll, water, air and sunlight. Leaf make food by chlorophyll, water, air and sunlight, and the process of making food in leaf is called photosynthesis. So I have told you what is photosynthesis and different parts of the leaf. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.